Are you superstitious? Hurt yourself expressing your opinion about a Colombian superstition. My superstition is to get out of bed every morning with the right foot. It says that if we do it that way, we will do very well throughout out the day. Otherwise, it will not bring just look on the day that began and whatever we do during. This will bring you some problem. My opinion is that, however, it is like that. Since if one gets up with a good attitude, with confidence and praying for the day, we will go in an excellent way during the day, no matter what food we get up with.